Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in with your Google account so your contacts and rooms sync. This ensures continuity across devices. Once signed in, open the Google Chat app or chat. Google.com and grant notifications plus microphone and camera permissions if you plan to voice or video call. Make sure to enable two-step verification if your organization requires it. This protects shared conversations and keeps files safe. Now tap the plus or search to find people or create a room, and start composing your first message. Next, focus on organizing communication. Tap the plus to start a direct message or create a room when you need an ongoing group space. Rooms let you invite specific members and set topics. Use threaded replies to keep each subject focused, which prevents noise and helps people catch up quickly. Share files directly from Drive or upload attachments, and use it mentions to route attention. Once done, pin important messages and add reactions to acknowledge updates without extra messages. Finally, complete your workflow by using voice or video calls directly from a conversation. Tap the call icon and test camera and microphone beforehand to avoid delays. Then customize settings. Choose notification levels, theme, and chat history retention so conversations behave the way you expect. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Check your network connection, confirm app permissions for microphone and camera, and make sure the correct Google account is active and syncing. If messages still fail, restart the app and sign out, then back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.